All right, so here we are for an unboxing of the Loupedeck. It's the Loupedeck CT. We're really excited to try it out and see how it can fit into our editing process and our workflow. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this. Let's see, packaging looks really nice. Have that their logo there. Let's see, let's bring it out. Box within a box, always fun. All right, let's see. Nice. So there it is. Look at that. So first impressions, packaging, really nice. Build quality, the knobs feel really sturdy. You know, they have all the protective covers on them right now. The buttons have, you know, a nice feel to them. They're not too flimsy. They don't have too much resistance either, but I think they're just sort of calibrated just right. These other ones here are a little bit more hefty, which is definitely good. So you're making a conscious decision to push them. Let me get this out. It's quite low profile. Take a look. It looks like it's a USB-C connection here. So there's that. Let's see what else is in the box here. Quick start guide here. We have a USB-C cord here with the adapter if you're still USB 3. So that's good. I do believe that, I think that's it for the box. So that's all. I do believe that this only connects via cord, which is, you know, I would hope that in the future, like maybe these products would connect via Bluetooth like the Wacom do, like the tablets, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they've updated it and this one actually does connect that way. So we'll have to go into that a little bit more in our in-depth review of the product, of the Loupedeck CT, but we're really excited to see how this can really program all of our actions, all of our shortcuts for our editing process, and see how it can really expand the potential that we have for our editing workflow. We're really excited to see if we can add this to our team of tools. So stay tuned.